our national anthem. Let's now take our seats, and as we move forward, let's continue this event with the same zeal and unity.
各位来宾，请坐下。谢谢大家对彼此国家的尊重与理解。现在，让我们以同样的心情迎接接下来的节目。
Next, we embrace the true spirit of Diwali and kindle the lamp of happiness. With it, in accordance with tradition, we begin this auspicious evening with the lighting of the lamp, which symbolizes purity, goodness, and the removal of ignorance.
我们诚挚的希望每个人都能怀抱 Diwali 的真正精神，点燃心中的幸福之火。我们将以点燃灯笼揭开这次晚会的序幕。
In Indian tradition, the lighting of lamp is a vital part of our prayer, and this signifies purity, goodness, good luck, and the power of light.
在印度传统中，点灯是祈祷中重要的一环，它象征着纯洁、善良、光明和好运的力量。
And now, since it is our privilege to have our chief guest with us, we want to welcome them to come up on the stage and do the lamp lighting ceremony. So now, I request our NTHU President, Mr. John Cow, to come up on the stage. Please give them a round of applause. Also, I welcome OG Vice President of General Affairs, Chang Xiang Kwang, to come up on the stage. I welcome Vice President of Global Affairs, Yan Taran, to come up on the stage. I do welcome Senior Vice President Han Yan to come up on the stage, please. I request Director of Center for Indian Studies, Wang Wei-chung, to come up on the stage. I do welcome Director of Division of Global Mobility, Lo Chang-yao, to come up on the stage. And now I welcome Deputy General of Taipei India Association, Mr. Abhishek Verma, to please join us on the stage and be a part of lamp lighting ceremony.
让我们再一次把掌声送给我们台上所有的贵宾。
May we have the candle, please?
接着我们要举行我们的点灯仪式。
So I request our chief guest to slowly take the candles and please do the lamp lighting. And after lamp lighting, you can pass on the candle. Thank you. I request everyone to please give them a huge round of applause. Don't be silent. Be cheerful. And I request our photographers to capture this moment in their camera, please. I would like to request you, please do not leave the stage. We will present a flower to you and then you can leave the stage.
接下来我们将进行献花仪式。
Now, may we have our NTHU President, Mr. John Cow, to come in front and receive the flower. Now I ask our Senior Vice President, Han Yan to come in front and receive flower. I request our Vice President of Global Affairs, Professor Yan Taran, to come in front and receive flowers. Now, I I request OGA Vice President for General Affairs, Chen Xiangquang, to come in front and take the bouquet. I request our Director for Center of Indian Studies, Wang Wei-chung, to come in front and receive the bouquet. I request our Deputy General of Indian Taipei Association, Mr. Abhishek Verma, to come in front and receive flower. Thank you everyone for being here. And now you may take your seats.
各位贵宾请入座，校长请留步。
Someone once beautifully said, "A lamp does not speak. It introduces itself through its light. Achievers never need to expose themselves. Their accomplishments speak for them." And it is a moment to reflect on the significance of Diwali beyond the light and festivities, and to contemplate life's changes for the year ahead.
灯笼不需要开口说话，它的光亮就说明了一切。一个成功者也永远不需要展示自己，人们会自然明白他们的成就。让我们在这个庆祝光明的同时，也开始思考自己未来的一年。
Now, we are honored here to have a chief guest with us this evening, so I request our President of NTHU to deliver a short speech or share his thoughts with us.
很荣幸能够邀请到诸位贵宾与我们共度美好的夜晚。现在，我们邀请高委员、高校长为我们致辞。
It's 2 weeks ago, I had the privilege of meeting a very special gentleman named Neil Gould. He came all the way from India to visit our campus. He said he graduated from NTHU 20 years ago, 2003. At the time, there were only 5 students from India. I can imagine their Diwali celebration is probably quite different from what we have today. Today, students from India represent one of our largest international student bodies. And with their presence, they brought not only knowledge, wisdom, but they also share their rich culture with us. And for that, I'm very grateful for everybody sitting here and sharing your rich culture and wisdom with all of us. So I can only imagine what 20 years from now, Diwali will be like on our campus. Maybe we need a bigger room. I will be going to India for the very first time in 2 weeks. I love Indian food. I love the people because of their passion, their values, and their history. And I go there with the attitude of learning. Now, of course, Professor Gould will be opening our very first alumni chapter in India. And I'm very happy to be part of that celebration. So at the end, I wish everybody, may Lord Rama grant you virtues of life and grant you success and peace. Happy Diwali, everybody.
I hope you enjoy the Indian food today also.
Actually, I already did.